Welcome to our deep dive into the biggest IPOs in history. IPOs, or initial public offerings, mark a company's transition from private to public, allowing them to raise capital by selling shares to investors. Over the years, some companies have raised staggering amounts of money, reshaping industries and financial markets. Let's take a look at the top IPOs of all time and the stories behind them. At the top of the list is Saudi Aramco, the state-owned oil giant of Saudi Arabia. In December 2019, Aramco went public on the Saudi Stock Exchange, Tadawul, raising a record-breaking $25.6 billion. The IPO was part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative to diversify the economy. The stock surged on its first day, pushing the company's valuation close to $2 trillion, making it the most valuable publicly traded company at the time. Before Aramco, the record was held by Alibaba, China's e-commerce titan. In September 2014, Alibaba's IPO on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, raised $25 billion. The IPO price was set at $68 per share, and by the end of the first trading day, shares soared to $93.89. This IPO cemented Alibaba's dominance in the global e-commerce space and signaled China's growing financial influence. In December 2018, Japan's SoftBank Group launched the IPO of its mobile unit, raising $23.5 billion on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. However, despite the massive IPO, the stock struggled post-listing due to market concerns about profitability and competition. Nevertheless, SoftBank remains a tech investment powerhouse, backing companies like Uber, WeWork, and Alibaba. China's Agricultural Bank of China, ABC, went public in July 2010, raising $22.1 billion. The bank's dual listing on the Shanghai and Hong Kong stock exchanges made it the largest IPO at that time. The funds helped strengthen China's rural banking infrastructure and solidified the country's banking sector as a global powerhouse. In October 2006, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, ICBC, raised $21.9 billion, setting a record at the time. The simultaneous listing in Hong Kong and Shanghai was a major milestone in China's financial expansion, reinforcing its dominance in global banking. Visa, the world's largest payment network, went public in March 2008 on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, raising $19.7 billion. Despite launching during the global financial crisis, Visa's IPO was highly successful, proving the strength of digital payments in modern economies. Facebook's highly anticipated IPO took place in May 2012, raising $16.01 billion. Listed on the Nasdaq, the IPO had a rocky start due to technical issues, but over time, Facebook, now Meta, proved its value, dominating the social media and advertising space. These historic IPOs have shaped industries, fueled innovation, and transformed global finance. From oil giants to tech disruptors, these companies used IPOs to fund expansion, solidify market leadership, and provide investment opportunities. As markets evolve, we may see new records in the future. Which of these IPOs surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. For current and upcoming IPOs, check our website stockhoney.in. Happy IPO investing. IPO.